Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Literally, this is live out there, guys. So hopefully the sound is okay, guys. Tell me if the sound is okay and you can hear me and everything is clear, guys. So it's a great time to be live. So we're going to be talking about Elon Musk's latest tweet, guys. So this is huge. Absolutely huge out there. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. So hopefully you guys can hear me, guys. If the sound is okay, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it, guys. Smash the likes, and show some love out there, guys. So it's been kind of weird and wacky and kind of crazy days out there when it comes to cryptocurrency out there. So hopefully, things are good out there. So it looks like Scott Gibbs says the sound is okay. Marco Mourinho says it's also good. So that is good, guys. So good. We're good to go. So we're going to be talking about Elon Musk and his latest tweet. What does that mean? Also, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. What has been going on news-wise out there, guys? So that's what we're going to be talking about. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. And guys, do go back and watch all of my freaking videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, do become a member out there. If you have not become a member, do consider to become a member out there. It would be lovely, jubbly of you to become a member, guys. I would appreciate it. So we got a ton of people in there. We got Keith Boron, we got Latrang, we got David Ricine in there. We got Cantino out there. I appreciate it. We got Gordon, and we've got right now 28 people watching in the live stream. Ooh, that's pretty pathetic. Where is everybody out there? So let's take a look at what's going on with the markets right now. So the markets are open, guys. The U.S. markets have opened. Ding, 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 ding. I remember everything here is not financial advice. So we are seeing that the markets are opening in the green, guys. Absolutely opening in the green. So that is pretty good out there. And right now we're seeing that most of the stocks are rising right now because investors are betting that the rate hikes will soon end out there. And by the way, out there, hey Travis, welcome to the stream. We've got the brilliant alien in the house. We've got Dino the Dino, and we got the whole crew out there, and we even got Annabelle lurking, guys. So hopefully Annabelle won't take over the video. But what's going on right now is we're seeing that there's a little bit of euphoria out there when it comes to the whole market, because people are thinking, hey, maybe the Fed, the prowler out there will in fact stop with rate hikes. So that is what is going on. Also, it looks like Bank of England hikes interest rate by 25 basis points even after the inflation went up. What's going on with that one out there? Guys, did you guys know that block shares have plunged after Hindenburg says Jack Dorsey company facilitates fraud? So it looks like Jack Dorsey is in trouble. It looks like block shares plunged after noted short seller Hindenburg Research said the company's flagship cash app facilitates crime and lacks strong compliance controls. So that is kind of interesting. I was not expecting that. I thought that somebody like Jack Dorsey would cross the T's and dot the I's when it came to that kind of thing. But it looks like there are some holes that need to be plug when it comes to his app out there. So I was kind of not expecting that. Latrang, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. Travis New, can't stay for long. It's okay, brother. I appreciate it. Don Ergo, the Don Father, good morning to you out there, guys. Good morning to everybody out there. In case you're wondering why I'm looking over there, I got to look at the screen because I need to look at the text that's coming from the beautiful community, guys. And if you're watching for the first time, go down there, smash the likes, boom the likes, guys. So love. Looks like we got Lou Sawyer. I'm here from Ottawa, Canada. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Much love out there, guys. I appreciate it. And guys, I have not done a live stream this time of night here in Vietnam. Right now in Vietnam, it's getting late out there. So this is the first time. So hopefully this comes off without any pickles out there. I appreciate it. So what else is coming in out there? We're also seeing right now that Bitcoin at $100,000. A lot of insiders are saying that cryptocurrency could test new highs this year. Interesting stuff. And one of the things that could be facilitating that is because of the things that's going on with banks, things that's going on with the macroeconomic uncertainty out there. And so also too, a lot of people are saying, look, with the recent collapse of banks and stuff, what are we going to do out there? Where are we going to move our money? Some people are not feeling safe. Some people are not feeling secure out there. So a lot of people are looking for a new home for their cash arena out there. So some people are looking at gold. We can see that if we take a look at the price of gold out there, we can see that the price of gold is going up. So some people are fearful. They're moving their gold, they're moving their cash to gold. But if you take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is still looking lovely jubbly. It's at 27,657. Now we did go as low yesterday, as you guys can see here. We did go as low as 26,799. So we've almost gained almost $1,000 in a 24-hour period. So that is not too shabby. Fitz Gonzo, welcome. Good morning. Much love out there, guys. Much love. Smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. So Bitcoin is looking okay. Even though we had that bit of a dumpski, and the reason we had the dumpski, it wasn't because of the rate hikes. It was because Yellen said that they were not going to backstop the deposits, FIDC insured deposit. They said they were not going to backstop that, and because before they had previously come out and said, look, we're gonna insure all deposits, big or small, and they said that she came out and said we ain't gonna do that anymore. So she kind of did a 360 degree turny-whirny out there. So that is why the markets got spookity spook. But as we can see here, the markets are turning good. We've got the NASDAQ going up at 1.27% now. And remember, NASDAQ is more risk on assets as compared to the Dow and the S&P. So that's good news. That is absolutely good news out there. So John Higgins in the stream. I appreciate it. Much love, brother. I appreciate that. So that is good news. That is good news. So we talked about Block, Jack Dorsey out there. We talked about Bitcoin could be going to $100,000, guys, and we've seen that Bitcoin has rallied nearly 70% so far this year. So that is pretty good. If you think about the rallying of 70%, that is pretty good. And looks like Marshall Bird, Chief Strategy Officer of the United States headquartered cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, said that $100,000 could be possible for Bitcoin, guys. So that is positive, guys. That is positive. So that's why you absolutely should not be sleeping on Bitcoin. Do not sleep on Bitcoin. You will regret it out there, guys. So looks like blanket insurance of bank deposits not being discussed, Yellen tells senators. So, like I said, Yellen the felon, she did say we're gonna insure everything out there because there was a whole Senate committee and they were worried about these smaller banks. There would be bank runs and people would be panicking by withdrawing their money from these smaller banks and moving it to big banks like Citicorp and JP Morgan and all of those. So she kind of came out and said, look, we're going to insure you, don't worry about it. And then yesterday she said, no, we're not going to do that. That's why the market's tanked, not to be redundant out there. And if you love the alien, guys, show some love. I appreciate some super chats for Alien, and the OG will kiss the alien. Mwah. I'm kissing you, Alien, because I love you very much out there, guys. So that is what's going on. Also some kind of other stuff. Just in, Fred Chair, the banking system is safe and sound. Guys, comment right now. Do you believe that the banking system is safe? Comment. Gordon T just said, this is my first live stream. Welcome, brother. I appreciate it. Smash the likes. Guys, comment. Do you think that this is the banks are safe out there? What are you thinking? I'm kind of, I'm not going to tell you what my opinion is. I want to know what you got to say out there, guys. Gordon, what do you think about what do you think about the banking situation in the U.S.? David, what do you think? John, what do you think? Fitz, what do you think? Out there, I appreciate it. What about Latrang? What do you think about the banking situation out there? Don't forget to comment. Comment up a storm. Bryce, thank you very much. We love the alien. I love you too. And guess what? The OG got to kiss the alien. Thank you, Bryce. Mwah, mwah. And Josh is saying, look, the banking system ain't safe out there, guys. So, guys, remember, if you want to get this video to be pushed out, what you got to do is you've got to comment. You've got to keep commenting, keep commenting, and that tells the algorithm that there's humans. There's actually humans in the chat. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Most will get bailed out. Yeah, Marco was saying, Marco Monroe is saying that most of them will get bailed out. Most likely, yes, out there. Definitely that's going to be doing. But I still think that the whole banking situation is pretty nasty out there, guys. So from my perspective, you guys can see this, that breaking Fed hits interest rate, hikes interest rate by 0.25%. And now we can see that our total interest rate now in the USA is 5%. And that's the highest, guys. Go figure, that is the highest since 2006. This is not a good look out there. Gordon says, crypto daily trade signals the banking situation sucks. We've been through this before. We're no lessons learned. No, they, exactly. In 2008, we saw this, but once again, greed takes over, craziness takes over, and that is why these things happen. People never learn. People never learn. They're greedy. They're not smart. They're not greedy. So this is from Balaji in the house, and he's the ex-CFO or CTO of Coinbase, and he's concerned. He's concerned, and why is he concerned? Because he believes out there. Let me just make this bigger. He believes out there that they will eventually try to seize Bitcoin. So the man will eventually try to seize Bitcoin. Eventually, maybe soon. So buy Bitcoin. Get your coins off exchanges and get them into hardware wallets, guys. So that's what he's saying. And if you're wondering what a hardware wallet looks like, it looks like something like that, guys. And I've got a link for that. Go check it out. But he's saying, guys, at some point, the government, the Fed, they could try to seize your Bitcoin. Eventually, maybe soon. So buy Bitcoin while you can. Get your coins off exchanges. Because remember, if they go after your coins, it's going to be on the centralized exchanges, right? And he also says, and get your Bitcoin to a friendly jurisdiction. States like Florida and Texas in the U.S. are pretty friendly right now when it comes to crypto, or El Salvador or UAE if you're abroad. So these are some. Gordon, thank you very much. I appreciate that. So these are some of the crypto-friendly countries out there. El Salvador, UAE. Vietnam is pretty much crypto-friendly out there. Indonesia is also pretty crypto-friendly, and Bangkok, guys. And Bangkok. Looks like Stan. Stan says, I'm a human, and I'm commenting, glad for your channel. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Stan's human out there. So, also Bangkok is pretty crypto-friendly out there. So that is pretty good. That is good, guys. So take precautions, guys. Also, looks like, this is from Bitcoin Archive, and, he's saying banks are blocking the exits to Bitcoin. It's happening. So you're seeing that a lot of banks right now, the onboarding of crypto from your banks, and this NatWest is in the UK. I do have a NatWest bank account too, and they're not allowing you. They're not allowing you, and what they're doing is they're making decisions for you about your money, and they're saying things like, to help keep your money safe, safe from possible scams or not, we are going to set limits on payments. We identify as going to cryptocurrency exchange from the 16th of March. We'll limit faster payments made to these exchanges to 1K a day, 5K in 30-day period. Like, come on, 5K in 30 days? That's chump change, okay? So, basically onboarding, offboarding of crypto is kind of grinding to a halt right now. Grinding to a halt. That is not good, guys. So the man definitely wants us not to be in crypto right now. So right now, at the time of recording, and this is the heat map, guys, and you know what time it is when it comes to the heat map, guys. You know who's going to be lurking. You know who's going to be popping up their head. It's Annabelle. And we can see right now that the OG's got to get the sun. Annabelle. Get out of there. So Dino just chased off Annabelle out there. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin is down 3.46%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 2.81%. And we're seeing most of the cryptocurrencies are dropping. Howdy, Shane. Howdy. And welcome to the live stream, guys. So we're seeing that most of the crypto markets are down right now out there. But the broader markets are going up. Let's take a look, guys. Ding, 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 ding. The broader markets are still going up. And look at the NASDAQ. It's going insane in the membrane. So, I think we'll see crypto doing a bit of a reversal out there. So that's what I'm thinking. So if we take a look at the May 3rd, 2023 Fed meeting, looks like 56% are saying no rate increase. I mean, I know it's early days. I know it's freaking early. Guys, you've got to comment. If you're watching, you've got to comment. You've got to smash the likes. We're not getting much comments on the stream, guys. We've got 126 people watching right now. Get and comment, guys. Latrang, Shane, get out there. Gordon, comment up, guys. Storm. So we're seeing that most people are saying that we're not going to have any rate hikes out there. And we're seeing that we could be seeing about 25 basis points. About 43% are saying that. So, guys, keep in mind that the next Fed meeting is in about 5 weeks and 6 days. So that's about the first week, about May 3rd. May 3rd, we're going to get the rate hikes again out there. Today, we do have jobless data coming in today, guys and gals. So the jobless data, TikTok CEO, nothing. So we've got the jobless data that has come in right now, and it has come in a little bit under expectation. So that is good. That is good. But you know, Powell, he doesn't want that. He wants more unemployment, right? He wants the economy to tankety tank out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with total market cap, and we will absolutely get into the Dogecoin, Elon Musk Twitter, guys. Dogecoin 111, and you know, Elon Musk did tweet and he did talk about Dogecoin. That is why we're seeing Dogecoin going up. We're going to talk about that. We're definitely going to be talking about that. So right now we did see the Bitcoin dominance has dropped, guys. If you can see that, it's droppity drop. Ethereum dominance is about the same. But right now we are seeing that cryptocurrency is going down right now. We're at 27,418. On CoinMarketCap, we're seeing Ethereum is down 3%. We're seeing BNB is down as well, ladies and gentlemen. XRP is slightly down out there, and Cardano is down. But look at the Doge, guys. Even though the market is going down, Doge is still up, guys, and Doge is at 0.7637, and that's fantastic. That is lovely jubbly. We're going to talk more about the Doge in a second. We're going to talk about the technicals, the support and resistance levels, but it's good, guys. Absolutely good. We're seeing that Doge has flipped polymatic, but most everything is down. Litecoin is pumping. I don't know why. I don't follow Litecoin. Sorry if you're a Litecoin lover. I'm sorry. I don't follow it. Guys, can you please comment? Everything is down. So that's what that's all about. If you take a look at what's going on with fear and greed, it's down right now, 57. But tomorrow it's going to be even lower than this. But people are still greedy. If you take a look at what's going on with the DXY right now, DXY is going down. Thank goodness. Lovely, jubbly out there. What? You want a what? What? You want a super chat? I don't know. You got to ask the community. You want why? You want me to kiss you? What? Well, I'm not kissing you because you ugly. The alien be ugly out there. That's the ugly alien. You gotta get the super chat action. No, I'm not gonna get at the alien. He's distracting me from the video out here. So we're seeing the DXY go down, DD down. E in the house, brother. If you're in Thailand, I'm gonna be in Thailand. Hey guys, peeps, I'm in Thailand tomorrow at 1 p.m. leaving for Thailand. That is 24th. So E, if you're around, maybe on the 26th. Maybe 2 p.m. at the Starbucks last time. Let's meet up. If you're in the mood, let me know. DM me. I appreciate it. If anybody else is in the Bangkok area, and you're in the Phnom Phrong area, let me know. DM me on Twitter, and we'll have coffee at Starbucks. Okay, guys. So Shane Smith 555. The awesome community. I appreciate it. So the DXY is going down. That's what we want. We do need the DXY to go down to about 99 cents out there. So gold, as I said, is pumping. Good news out there. Bitcoin, again, let's take a quick look at that. Bitcoin is just kind of losing a little bit of steam. Let's take a look at the predator indicator out there. See what the predator indicator is saying out there. Let's take a look at it. If I can get this thing happening. Where's the predator indicator? So right now, if I take a look at the predator indicator, and this is kind of, this is going to tell you, I mean, red is bad, right? Orange is indecisive. This is good. So right now, the predator indicator, even though Bitcoin is kind of just going sideways right now, it is telling me that we are still going to go to the top. We can still be popping out to the top, guys. So that is pretty good news out there. So I'm still pretty bullish out there that we could see a bit of a reversal in. And if you take a look at Bitcoin right now in terms of holders, we got 72% of all the people in the money right now, and 26% out. So that's not too bad, guys. You know, keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that if we take a look at where Bitcoin was, you know, at the beginning of the year, we can see right here. Look. Let's take a look at a quarterly right now. We can see right now that Q1 so far for Bitcoin, we're up 65.2%. That's not too shabby. What do you guys think about that? If we take a look at the monthly, guys, it's also not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby out there. Guys, what do you think about the Bitcoin price right now? Even though we've had a little bit of downage out there, I'm still feeling bullish. I'm going to show you why in a second, why I'm still feeling pretty bullish about Dogecoin out there, guys. So not too bad. If you take a look at Ethereum right now, what's going on with Ethereum? Ethereum is kind of broken down right now, a little bit broken down. It's going sideways. It's trading right now at around about 1747. But if you take a look at the decent trader out there, the predator trader out there, we are seeing that it's also painting a positive candle, and we have this little bull flag formation, and the predator indicator is saying that Bitcoin, that Ethereum could be going up, guys. Ethereum could be going up. So what else is coming in? Right now we're seeing that the most important resistance to break for Bitcoin right now is the 28,600. We need to get Bitcoin above 28,600. That is very important. That's where our resistance is now. If we can get back up there, then it's going to be a clear moonshot to 30,000. So that's pretty bullish, guys. Keep watching. Keep smashing the likes, guys. Keep smashing those likes out there. This also coming in from Trader Tardigram, my man. He's saying Bitcoin is consolidating just above the upper line of the expanding triangle right here, guys, and a continuous uptrend will follow. So, you know, we are seeing here that Bitcoin is breaking out above this trend line here, and we could see this going. And if we take a look at what happened in previous cycles, we did see that Bitcoin did do this on the daily before, and this is following pretty much the same pattern. So this is pretty bullish. This is pretty positive for Bitcoin, guys. Let's jump into it, guys. Looks like Justin SEC has sued YouTuber Jake Paul for illegal promotion of cryptocurrencies, including Tron, Justin Sun. Lohan also got a love letter from Gary out there. What else is coming in? What else is coming in? Looks like Bitcoin, nothing has changed. If this bullish megaphone is the governing pattern behind Bitcoin price action, we could see a target coming in very shortly. By the middle of middle of April, excuse me, we could be seeing $34,000 coming in. So that's pretty good, guys. Actually pretty good out there, guys. So Merlin saying 28.6 in 6 months. Remember, Merlin, yesterday we were over 28.6. So just, you know, kind of put that into perspective out there. Put that into freaking perspective out there. So guys, 180K is the minimum target for this cycle according to Bitcoin. According to Bitcoin, we could be seeing that 180K could be coming in this cycle. And don't be blinded by the prospect of buying 2K cheaper, otherwise you'll end up buying 50K higher. So what he's saying is dollar cost average, hodl, wait for life changing wealth. That's what he's saying out there. That's what he's saying, Dogecoin 111. I appreciate it, guys. So here it is, guys. Here it is. We're going to talk about the Dogecoin tweet in a second. Bull run starts. TA analysts, we're right here, guys. And we're going to have a huge blast off. And why? Because we saw it again. Whenever we see these green circles, this is often indicative of a bull run, guys. So we're in the area that it's going to be lift off time. Can you smell the rocket fuel? I can smell it. Can you smell the rocket fuel? What? Stop it already. Stop it. Stop it. You keep asking for super chats. You're not going to get them. The community don't want to give them. Okay? Get out of it. So, you know, from that perspective. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin is at 0.76, and that is pretty good. We're kind of going sideways along this trend line between 8 cents and 0.75. So that is looking pretty good out there, guys. But keep in mind a big freaking Elon Musk tweet today. So Doge designer, he was kind of talking about, he's saying, look, I'm traveling to the US next month to witness the Starship launch. I would love to visit the Bird app headquarters too, and spoke with someone from the team, and they said, I need permission. So Dogecoin designer tweeted this out, and then Elon Musk tweeted, guys, look at this. Elon Musk tweeted, and he said, okay, but it will still cost you 3 Doge. That is why Doge is up today, because Elon Musk tweeted and talked about that if you want to go visit the Dogecoin headquarters, you're going to have to, you know, pay Doge. But so the key thing is you're going to have to pay Doge. So that is pretty freaking awesome that you're going to have to pay with Doge. So that is good, guys. That is good. I can smell the rocket fuel, guys. I can freaking smell the rocket fuel. You know, I love it. I'm going to love it. I'm going to retweet this. I'm going to retweet this, quote the tweet and retweet. And, you know, it's like at Elon Musk, Elon Musk, we love you out there. Dogecoin to the moon. Okay, so it's just a matter of time, guys. We're gonna get to the moon. I'm tweeting this baby out live out there. So that is pretty good news out there. So I'm pretty fantastical. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics right there. Minty refresh. Dogecoin 111. Snap, crackle, pop out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin is at 0.7631. So that's awesome. And look at the volumes. The volumes are $814 million. That's almost pretty close to $1 billion, guys. And we're seeing that the market cap is up as well. So that is good news, bears. Not too much out there. Dogecoin signals imminent price resurgence. Is it time to buy the dip? I think if you're not buying you're gonna miss the explosion out there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. If you take a look at the, who's in the money, who's out of the money for Dogecoin, 111, pow, 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 out there. Let's get it. Internet slow. Loading, loading, loading. 55% are in the money, 42% out. Not too shabby, not too shabby at all out there, guys. And don't forget, also, guys, don't forget, if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a hardware wallet, not financial advice. Check out the link down below. Let's take a look at the social mentions. The social mentions right now for Dogecoin. Look at that, 49%. Down 49% for social mentions, social engagement down 10%. So there are a lot of people have kind of like stopped talking about Doge right now. That is not good. If you took a look at the monthly, not looking good either. If you take a look at the monthly, also bad. It's dismal, guys. Absolutely dismal. There's nothing. There's a lot of activity off Doge has kind of like disappeared. And if you're part of the Doge community, you've got to get out there, guys. And also, Do has been arrested. In Montenegro, by the way. So that's kind of interesting news out there that Dogecoin has been arrested. Just that is breaking news, guys. Breaking news. So let's take a look at the price of Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu is just going sideways at 10.56. Nothing much there to report. Kind of boring out there. So that is what that's all about, guys. So breaking news. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find this tweet out there. Let's see. Let me see if we can find it so I can show you. Dogecoin has been arrested out there. Let me find it. See, Dogecoin arrested. Dogecoin arrested. Top. I don't know what's going on with Twitter. It's been, so has Dogecoin been arrested yet? No, people don't like him to go to prison. So it looks like Dogecoin has been arrested in Montenegro right now. So that is kind of interesting. He has been arrested in Montenegro, guys. So, dude, so it looks like it's time that Dogecoin is going to meet the man out there. So that's pretty interesting out there. Guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. I would appreciate it, guys. Follow the yellow brick road. And right now, Twitter's been kind of weird. I think Elon Musk is doing something to Twitter out there. So it looks like we're seeing that we got 6,824 followers out there, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with the markets. The market's still doing pretty good. Looks like Nasdaq is up. So this is the Q&A time, guys. So this is your time to shine out there. David, Shane Smith, Chucky25 out there, Dogecoin to the moon. Guys, if you got some questions, now's the time to ask. Get and ask out there. I appreciate it. Get and ask. Ask what is going on out there, guys. So if there's no questions out there, we're going to end the live streaming here, guys and gals. So any questions, guys? We're still Matteo, love the time of your live. I love it too. Thank you, Matteo, for being here. I appreciate it. How is the network connection? Is the video pretty good? Is it kind of slowing or anything out there? Please let me know out there. I appreciate it. So if there's not any questions, then I'll move on. Lou, what do you think about Doge Elon Musk? I mean, Lou, I haven't really looked at that. I'm not really into that. Like I said, I have this simple rule out there. And that rule is very simple. If the project is younger than 2 years, I really don't touch it. I don't want to touch it out there. Scott Irish says, make it a great day, everyone. If it's dark where you are, then have a great night. Appreciate you, OG. Thank you, Scott. I appreciate it. John Higgins says, Dogecoin laser eyes. Let's go, guys. Let's get the laser eyes on the Doge. I appreciate that. Eric has said Thailand or Vietnam. Eric, I'm in both, brother. I spend half my time in Vietnam, half my time in Da Nang. Tomorrow, I'm going to be in Bangkok, going home to Bangkok. I appreciate it. Fico is saying, can you do a little opinion on XYO token? Let's take a look at the XYO token out there. XYO, let's dive in. Let's deep dive in XYO token out there. XYO token. Let's go. Let's see what it's all about here. So the XYO token is down 11%. What is the XYO token? Let's see what this is all about. Looks like the number of holders are increasing, so that is cool. Project info. Project info, not much on there. So this looks like a pretty new project. I don't know much about it. Sorry about that. Sorry. Cranky Fist, welcome, brother. I appreciate it. Welcome. Much love out there, guys. Who else is? Eric is asking, I'll see you in backup. Yeah, brother, DM me. We can get that coffee at Starbucks and problem. I appreciate it. D. Lippy Show, Litecoin is Dogecoin's parent coin. Absolutely true. Absolutely true. They're both working on the script platform out there. So Travis, much love. Lee Heath, Froggy's 3 years. Yeah. Fun with Maverick. Thanks for content, OG. I appreciate it. Out there, Tony Sanchez, OG Daily Crypto Trader, Anchor. Keep up the great work. Thank you. Good morning and live from Belgium. Lawrence, the last great spike was nearly 6 months. That's why nobody is talking. Well, I'm more positive about that. I really believe out there that, I think that we're going to be seeing all-time highs. We could be seeing all-time highs maybe this year. Some people are calling for 180K. I mean, I may not be that bullish out there, but definitely I am, I'm looking at maybe something at least around 50K this year. I'm looking at 50K. So that's what I'm kind of looking at, guys. I'm kind of looking at 50K out there. So that's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking out there? Looks like the is in the house. Are we still getting the Ethereum Doge bridge? Yeah, the Ethereum Doge bridge, that was like the whole big thing last year during the bull run, but I haven't heard anything about that. There's been no updates from Vitalik. It's supposed to be like Vitalik and the Dogecoin Foundation. We're supposed to be getting that, but nothing happened. I mean, nothing happened with that. Nothing actually happened with that. So that's kind of what's going on with that, guys. Dilipi, Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Absolutely Dogecoin to the moon. So, guys, if there's no more questions out there, guys, you got to be commenting. You got to be smashing like. You got to keep watching out there. I appreciate it, guys. So if there's no more questions, no more questions out there, we're gonna end this live stream, guys. We're gonna end it. If there's any more questions, now's the time, guys. Now is the time. So I'm gonna bring this video to a closing. Wozy out there.